So, good morning, Sir Ripar, or good day to you. I will be presenting our group's application or web application entitled Ecolokal. So, before I get started presenting the user interface and the code, I will just like to add that our application aims to support local artisans and small businesses from the local communities. So, let's get started. So, our app looks like this. It's still in development, and we aim to develop this application to run on any device like phones, tablets, and desktops. Although it can already, but it still runs on local host. This is the uh, what it looks like in the login screen. So the user can log in, example, and type his password. Using my email, this prompts me to go to the admin side of our application. So let me try that again. Okay, this prompts me to go to dashboard. It shows me total products, total orders, and total revenue as well as satisfaction. All calculated and done in the back end using simple JavaScript. We have also weekly sales, also shown in a simple demographic and so we have the dashboard products shows products. Here the admin or the seller can edit or delete product. So here are list of products. These products are stored in a separate database which is products.sql. And if the seller wants to add a product, he can select this add, where he can just add any product name, any description that any quantity, as long as it's integer or a number. Price would be less than 4, and the product image can be selected or chosen in the file, which also reflects in the live uh, side or a client side. Next is the orders. Here, if the buyer or the client selects a product, chooses a product, and adds it to his shopping list, it will be considered pending. So here it shows the order ID, what order ID number is, which is generated automatically, and the customer name represents the name registered by that specific account. Order date and time is also taken accounted for. The delivery address and orders, the items that he ordered. Although not, it doesn't show the quantity, it shows the value of each item. So the seller or the admin can cancel the order or mark as complete. If the seller or admin mark it as complete, says a notification or a prompt, just click OK and shows updated successfully, and it will reflect on the dashboard. Total revenue goes up, satisfaction goes up, and the number of products uh, decreases according to the product that we have considered and delivered. which is Abaca containers. And here in the account shows the name as well as the email of the user. With that being said, we will log out and we will try to enter the buyer or client side. Here, as you can see, there is the name of the user, a working search bar. Yes, it's working. And here you have home that says special offer, but still in the process of, or still in development process. Cart, which can be added, increased, deleted. There we go. It's working. And like products. And in the product section, you can see all the list of the available products. System. And the profile, the name of the user, the number, email. For example, the user or the buyer wants to purchase Makabaga Naga 3 items worth 1,700. He will check out and he will be prompted as cash on delivery, MasterCard or Visa, Bcash or Maya. But this is just an idea. We still don't have the proper UI, I mean the API for the following. This is just an idea. And if the user clicks pay now, it will say congratulations, you've successfully placed an order, and everything follows. To home, so if the user goes to profile, goes to orders, you can see the order history, order number, date and time, and says pending and processing. So it says processing because the seller must select whether or not the product has been delivered or not. There's no uh, attempt attempt of cancellation. That being said, there's also a room for improvement for this app, which is what we call reviews. Customer can review uh, product ratings. Yes, that will be part of future updates. So yeah, don't have an account, sign up. Yes, I will. This is our design. So design orange Simeon. Simeon. Simeon at gmail.com. Click on the gender. Select the birth date. And once it's all good, click continue. Here the user will be prompted what password is required. Click continue, and yes, you can select whether or not you are a seller or a buyer. You can select buyer, so, and as you can see, you have to agree to all terms and conditions. If you don't click that, you cannot sign up. Please check this box. Okay. Once it's successfully checked, it will prompt you to go to the landing page of the client or the buyers. So yes, that's everything. This is our Ecolokal system project or Ecolokal app. I hope uh, this enlightens our initial idea. So for the discussion of our code, it is quite lengthy. Where we use mostly HTML and CSS for front end and JavaScript for the back end processes. So this is our database, our connection. So I will not be explaining this code because it's very long, but we implemented some key features like PHP mailer in sending like forgot password, yeah, something like that. JSON, so JSON for the PHP mailer, and here's the assets, and all of these are included in the zip file, sir. And with that being said, thank you very much. That wraps up our group's discussion.